So what we've got here is the wet lube. The wet lube is for the wet season and rainy conditions, muddy conditions, and it stops your chain from rusting. Or if it is a bit rusty, you could put this on, it's a bit heavier. Then we've got the dry lube, better for our dry months and sand, pin down, all that sort of stuff. You do have to apply a lot more regular. So say before every ride, we put this on if you're going for a long ride, and then you just wipe it off, wipe the excess off when you're done. Just going to demo how to put the lube onto the chain. You just start at the back of the chain, hold it on a 45-degree angle, slowly pedal the bike backwards, applying it to the inner links of the chain until you do one whole rotation. And if the chain is really dry, you'll probably want to do 2 full rotations of that, just like so. And it's oiled. So with the dry lube, we do have to shake the excess wax out of the bottom of the bottle.
So this is the wax lube?
Wax lube, yep. Because it goes on wet and then it dries to a wax. Give that a shake for about 10 seconds. And
so it's applying a wax cover over our chain to help repel the dirt.
Repels the rust and the dirt. So we just, same idea again, we just 45-degree angle and then just apply it while squeezing the bottle, while pedaling the bike, do a full rotation.
Do we have to leave it for a period of time after we do?
I normally leave it for about 10 minutes just to let it set and get the wax form. And that's all you do. Before every ride, we put that on. We just got to clean the chain now as much as we can by holding the chain with a rag. We're just wiping off all that excess chain lube and dirt and mud, grease, just like that. And it should look pretty dirty. And just do it carefully. It might take a few goes to get it right. I've done this for a long time, so I know what not to do. So you just keep wiping that chain until the rag is clean, being careful. This is what you'd normally do after you lube your chain before you go for a ride, or even after your ride. Just clean it up a bit. It should be a lot better.